practice exercise. So this is what I am going to discuss now. This is, I'm just doing some practice questions from chapter number 12. You will have a question like this one in the theory exam as well. I hope you all are watching it carefully. If you are not away, please come and join the class. It is important question. This is, for example, it can help you to understand the whole chapter. This is question 12-2A. Yes, is it okay? Have you joined the class? And make sure you're there. Read the question carefully before I start solving. Let's look at the question together. Yes, is it clear? Any question? My voice is not clear or any issue, let me know.
It's clear, clear.
At the end of the first year, okay, thank you. At the end of the first year of operation on December 31, 2017, this NBS company's account shows the following. There are three partners, right? And there is a drawing account and a capital account. Okay, this is their beginning balance given in their drawing account and capital account. Capital balance represents each partner's initial capital investment. Therefore, net income for or net loss for 2017 has not been closed to the partner's capital accounts. So what is given is, we are going to write it down. See what is, for example, which is one of the partner name is Art instead capital, for example.
ايه What you will do, Dr. now?
We will solve this question together. This is important for your theory. Now, for example, if you look at this one here, we have three partners. Their capital account is given. What is for first one is this one. Second one is this person. I'll just and third one is, and we enter their beginning capital balance. This is what you do it in accounting. And the amount for first one is 30,000, this one.
Yeah, 30,000. And the last one, 25.
Okay. Actually, what I've done, the same thing was given, but I wrote down here in the language of accounting, T account. Then they have their drawing account. Similarly, this is their capital account. They have their drawing account as well. You can just, I can create from there. This is their drawing account.
One side for capital and the other side for the wrong account.
Not other side, it is just a separate account,
Okay, doctor.
not other side. Okay, just understand. These are the two different accounts and different balance, right? For drawing account, it should not be
And debit.
here. Drawing account always is debit. Remember, in accounting, drawing account should be on debit side. This is the balance for drawing account. I'm just writing the information what is given in the question.
Yeah, then we solve it.
Yes. Okay. So this is what we
Oh,
have, the given information. Remember, capital, this is a one account. In accounting, we call it's a T account. Okay, this is given. Now the capital balance represents, this is for their initial investment, right? Now initial investment means when these partners, they started this business, this, this was their capital. Okay. First one with 48,000, second 30,000, then 25,000. Then there is a drawing account. Drawing account means during the year, means during 2017, this owner, they took the money for personal use from a business. When the owner take the money from the business for its personal use, we put it as drawing, and it is always debit. So debit 23,000. This person, he withdraw from a company 21,000. So it is 23,000 for his personal use. Second person, Bolen, he took 14,000 for his personal use, and third one is 10,000 for his personal use. Is it clear?
drawing, doctor, it's doctor. It's for personal use.
Yes, this is the definition of drawing.
For only for personal use, doctor, huh?
Yes, whenever there is a personal use, we call it drawing account.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Okay. Now, instruction says in this question, journalize the entry to record the division of net income for the year 2017 under each of the following independent assumptions. Now, understand in this question, for A, part 1 separately, net income is 30,000, right? And it will be divided into this ratio. Net income, which is okay. Now, this net income will be divided in the ratio of 6:3 to 1. Is it clear? What is the
63
ratio?
1.
For each partner, we have 3 partners, remember. So what will be the ratio, income ratio? I'll just put it here, just for your explanation. Income ratio means that how they will distribute, how he will get, how much he will get, the first partner,
18 Dr. Thousand.
he will get as a ratio.
Yes.
6
uh,
divided by,
he will divide, Doctor. He will get
divided by 10, right, which is sum of ratio,
yes.
which is, I'll just put 6 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, this is for first one. For second one, his ratio will be
3
over 10, and for this one,
1.
right? In terms of percentage, if you want to calculate, for example, for first one, right, what will be his ratio? 6 over 10, right, which you can solve it, right? It is
18, Doctor, 18,000.
no 6 over 10, first of all, 60%, right?
0.6.
Is it clear?
Clear دكتور now.
For other one, it will be
30%.
30%, and for this one, it will be 1%, right?
10 دكتور not 1.
Okay. So now the question says here, generalized entries. We have to make an entries first. I'm just showing you the calculation first of all. So if you want to know what is the income of each partner, we can calculate, right? What is the income? Again, it is not an entry. I'm just putting, so don't just put me yes, here. T account is separate, so I'm just showing the calculation separately. What is his income? Will be
40. 28,800.
no 60%.
60%.
Yes, of net income. Is it clear?
That's clear دكتور now.
Falling, Doctor, 9,000.
For other one, what is the income?
9,000.
And the last one 3,000.
So his income will be 10% of
3,000.
Okay, now this is simple. This is math until, right? Easy. Is it clear now how we calculated these numbers?
Yes, doctor. First one, we got the ratio, then we divide the ratio
We
by
get the
the
number.
net income.
Now part A says generalize the entry to record the division of net income, right? For part 1 separately. So what will be the entries? This is what we are going to do. What will be debit? What will be credit? What is going to be debit? Can you tell me? So this is what you need to know. Otherwise, you will not understand. How do we transfer? See, we know this is the income, but how do we transfer this money into their account? Right? This is what we want to say is the division of income. How this income will be transferred to the owners in terms of accounting. This is what we call it closing process, right? So we assume that income is calculated. So when income is calculated means your revenue and expense account has been closed, and how much income you have is, this is what we call it. You have to make an entry, which, what is the entry? Income summary account will be debit. Understand? If you don't remember, so income summary account will be debit for how much amount? You can see here in the bottom, I'm just giving you a solution. What will be debit? Income summary will be debit for how much? About the income, whatever your income have, right? Which is 30,000. Okay, clear? This is debit. This is what you call it entries. One is debit and one will be credit entries. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah, the income it's a debit.
Yes. What will be credit? Actually, here we are not showing the step before, but in real life you have a one step before this one. There is a revenue and expense account closing. You close revenue and expense with income summary. Then now basically you close income summary to the capital account. This is what we are doing in this step. That is what we call it a closing process. Yes, we have a separate entry, not separate entry for each, yes, for their each account. Yes. So what is their account? I can take their name from here. I don't have to type it. Okay, now these are the accounts which will be credit, remember.
The account will be credit, doctor, huh? And debit it's
Yes,
for
so that
net income.
debit will be, yes, income summary. We call it not in the name of the account, you have to write it down, which is income summary account.
Okay.
Okay, so it should be like this one. Okay,
Yes, doctor. Then the credits for accounts. For
yes. Then one is debit, like this one, and then we have some accounts which will be credited, right? Let me put it a little bit here. Okay. Credit will be based on how much income they are going to get. What is the income of Nielsen Capital? His out of 30,000 he will get. We already calculated, right?
yes,
80,000.
doctor.
Yes.
So this is basically an entry. This is what you call it. This is we call it. The question was generalize the entry to record this one, right? Okay, this was simple. This is one scenario, separate. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear, doctor.
Yes. Now next question says, part A, second, net income is 40,000. Just another scenario, another situation, 40,000. Nielsen and Bolan are given a salary allowance of 15,000 and 10,000. The remainder is shared equally. Okay. Now you have a different scenario in the next question.
In this scenario, Doctor, we use a schedule or a T account because in the book it's use schedule.
Yes. Now we'll do the same thing, exactly same. So net income is 40,000. Okay.
And divide the ratio by the net income for Bill
La,
and
la,
dynasty.
I will show you. Let me show you. Net income is, let's say, 40,000. Okay. Then after, out of this net income, what is the other? There is a salary, right?
Yes, doctor.
How much is the salary?
50,000.
For Nielsen and Bolan are given salary. Total salary is
25,000.
25,000, right?
Yes.
And this is the remainder is here. What is the remaining net income? What is left over? Remainder, right?
14 minus 25.
Yes. Which is 40 minus.
Doctor, at this question, there is no ratio.
No, 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 there is just let me see. Let me show you. Now, in this scenario, what is happening? How much each one they will get? Remember, they are going to get not only the ratio, but they are going to get salaries as well, right? So, what is the salaries for each one? I just want to show you as a calculation. Salaries for this one, he is going to get 15,000. The first one, right? And he will get also, what else he will get? Then the Bolan is get this one, his salary 10,000. Okay, is it clear? Now whatever is left is going to be shared equally. Now equally means remaining income. What is the income sharing ratio? Understand? It's not going to be like this one. It's going to be 1 by 3, right? Everyone will get, what is their ratio? Equally. There are three partners. 1 by 3, right? So 1 by 3 is whatever in terms of percentage, right? 1 by 3. Whatever is left, this is the ratio, right? 1 by 3, and also each one will get or is it approximately it will become 100%. Now understand, how do we distribute? Is it clear how much salary they will get? 15,000, 10,000. Then how much income they are going to get? Whatever is left income, our remaining income, which is going to be equal to our remaining income, which is 15,000. multiply by their ratio, 5,000 each, right? So each partner, for example, Nienstedt, he will get 5,000 from income and 15,000 from salary. The other partner, also same thing, he will get, already calculated by the formula. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, clear, Doctor.
This one, third partner, he has no salary, right? So if you see here, first understand how much he will get. Nielsen capital 15 and 5, 20, right? And he will get 15 from this year, and he will get only 5,000, which is income, right? He is not getting any salary. Now the question says here, journalize entry. Again, same method. What will be the entries, right? So how much they are each getting, right? So how much they are getting? This partner, he will be getting his total, for example, will be, let me write it down. He will get, this is just another scenario. This
20
plus
salaries.
20,000, right? And he will get, the other partner, he will get
50,000.
yes, okay. And now, if you want to see, for example, first of all, what is the income summary? How much income we are going to distribute? 40,000. Okay. How 40,000 is distributed to each partner?
The total, Doctor.
Yes. So the total is, for first one, it is
20,000.
second one,
50,000. And the last one, 5.
and the last one is 5. Okay. So as you can see here, now this is okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Now, in terms of, if the question says prepare a schedule, what you have prepared a schedule over there, or you can show it. I'll just show you the same thing, which the schedule, the jadwal. Because if the question says to prepare a schedule, their schedule, it will be like this one, the same thing. Yes, you can see here, this is the schedule, right? Net income was 40,000. Okay, is it clear? It's the same thing. Salary 40, then they get this salary allowance remaining 15,000, then 5,000 given to each partner. Okay.
We wrote the nested and the balloon without the last partner. Okay, Doctor?
Because he did not get salary.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Right. Yes,
We
from
just
here.
wrote
Same thing. Each partner, he get income and he gets salary. Other partner,
then
income and salary. And
in the
this
schedule, we
partner,
just
he only received income.
and in the
Okay.
schedule we just add the partner who gets salary.
Yes. Yes. Anyhow, this was a question to make journal entries, right? Similarly, part 3, net income of 19,000. Each partner is allowed interest of 10% on beginning capital balance. Now understand. Now another scenario. Same question, another scenario. What is this scenario? Instead of this one, now net income is
90,000.
19,000. Okay, just another scenario. Each partner is allowed interest of 10% on beginning capital. So first we will calculate their interest. Okay. So let's say how much interest they are going to get and what is their capital percentage. Understand? I'll just put here interest on capital, right?
4,800.
How do you calculate an interest on capital, which is
For,
which
multiply.
is 10%, right?
4,000.
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
So what you can do just to show you is 10% multiply by 48,000 for first one. So basically how much he is going to get the interest, we can
4,800.
calculate, which is going to be, if I put formula, okay, clear?
Okay, doctor.
So similarly for next partner, how much interest he is going to get, and on top of it, sorry, it says also is given 15,000 salary allowance, right? So he get a salaries of 15,000. Okay, so let me just put first here without, his salary is 15,000. Okay,
Yeah, and the total it will be 19.
let's see.
800.
Yes, total. Oh, let's see what is going to have. Then the remainder is shared equally. First of all, we'll find what is remaining. Okay, how much income he will get, we don't know, right? So other partner, his interest will be based on his capital of 30,000, right?
Yeah, it will be 3,000.
It will be 3,000. Salary, he's not getting any salary, right?
Yeah, only listed.
Only is the interest, right? Calculation, if you understand, making entries easy, right? Interest is
The percentage and
3,000.
equal by the capital. And multiplied by capital.
Okay, 10%. Okay, and then is given 50. Remainder is shared equally. Okay, let's see. Once you understand, now each partner is allowed 10% on their capital balance. So let's say for this one, his interest will be
2,500.
okay. Now, can you, we know what are the total interest for each of them? We can calculate now, right?
Yes, doctor.
What is the total interest? Out of 19,000, the total interest is
4,300.
4,800 plus 3,000 plus this one, right? So what is the remaining income? Is it clear how we calculated the total interest?
Yes, Doctor.
Are you the only one in the class, or we have some other students following?
They should be there, here, Doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Then, Doctor, we
So how
divide the net income by interest.
Yes. Now this is what it says. The remainder is shared equally. So it means divided by 3, right? Each one will get remaining income, right? At a ratio of 1 by 3, right? So it will be equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by this number.
33%.
So income will be 2,900. For second partner, he will get an income of 1 by 3 multiplied by, because it's, and the last one, he will get an income of
1 by 3.
okay.
Okay, Doctor.
So this is, sorry, this is the income, this is
Interest.
the interest, right?
Yes, Doctor.
Income and interest, right? So income, interest. So first one, he's getting salaries, right? Here they are not getting salary, right? So for first partner, what is the total amount he's going to receive? He's receiving, see his share, which is interest, income, and salary, right? These three numbers together is 17,900 for first one. Is it clear? For second one, he's getting interest, which is okay.
Doctor, the first one will get 22,000 or 17.
First one,
Yes, first one. Nested. How much he
the
will get?
total amount. Let me see the formula. Sorry.
Yeah, it's not.
Thank you.
It will be 22,000, I think.
Yes. Okay.
Now it's clear.
And the last one, he will be getting interest and income. So first one is his total amount is this one. Okay. For second one, this is his total amount. For third one, his okay, this highlighted in this blue color. Yes. Okay. Is it clear? Now you have, this is what they will get, each partner. 22,700, and these are what will be the entries. Is it clear?
It's clear, Doctor.
Salary allowance is okay. Net income was 19,000. Okay, and first one
under share query.
Yes, first of all, just a minute, let me see. Yes, so he will get a salary, then 15,000 plus 4,800 is yes, and then the interest. First of all, what is the total salaries and interest? Sorry, we have to minus after salaries and interest, whatever is left, we have to distribute. Sorry, in our total, we put here, see, there is a interest is this one, also salaries we did not put. Salary
And
is
it will be
15,000, right?
credited, right? Salary it's 15,000 for instance.
15, yes, yes.
It will be credit, doctor.
So yes, minus 15,000. So now it is a correct amount. Okay.
Just we forget the salaries.
Yes. Now understand. Sorry, I'll come back to this question. Now see, net income is 19,000, interest is 10,300, salaries are 15,000, right? Is it clear? And what
Yeah,
is
it's
the
clear.
remaining income? It's not an income. We have loss, right? You don't have a net income, we have a loss, right? There is no net income. In this case, we have a loss, right? Is it clear?
Oh, okay, doctor.
Yes, please. I did not look at this one before. So just pay attention because that's what if you see the calculation.
It will be lost, not income, doctor. Huh?
Yes. Is it clear? This is because otherwise you will not understand.
Yeah, doctor. Because interest and salaries, it's credit.
No, no. First of all, we'll come to it. No, here we're not talking about credit or debit. Understand? Here we have to make an entries only.
Okay.
Now, understand this scenario. This company has a net income of 19,000, but their partnership agreement says that we have to give 10% interest on the beginning capital. So we said the total interest is 10,300, which we will give to three partners. Is it clear?
Clear.
Then also one partner will get a salary of 15,000. So total will become 25,300, but their income is less than what is the interest and salary. So there is a loss of 6,300. So how to share this loss? Okay. Now this is the question. It says here the remainder is shared equally. Remainder means whatever is left, whether it is profit or loss. In this case, it is loss. So loss will be shared equally. What will be the loss of each partner? Divided by 3, basically, right?
Yes, doctor.
So you can see here income is negative, right? So it's minus, 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 right? Clear?
Now we divide the 6,300 by
By
33.
3, yes, to see the loss, right? So we don't have income, so basically we have
Lost.
loss, right? Everyone will take a loss of 2,100. Is it clear?
Clear, doctor. Because it's not income, it's loss.
Yes, we have a loss. So what each partner will get? Now, if you look at their contribution of each partner, what will the first partner will receive 4,800 and also minus his loss and plus will be his salary. So he will get basically 17,700. Is it clear? 17,700 for first partner.
It's clear, Doctor. 17,700.
Okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Everyone, it's clear how we calculated 17,700 for first one. Okay, for
Interest minus
second one,
loss and add salary.
yes, because there was loss, right? For second one,
3,000
he has
minus
interest.
1,100.
Yes. So total he will get basically 900
900.
after paying for his loss. And third one, 25
2,500.
minus, 2,500 minus 2,100, it will be
400.
400. Okay. I hope you can see it clearly now. Is it clear now? This is for first one, second one, and third one. Now, what will be the entries? Remember, entries will be same. What is the entry? What will be debit? What will be credit? Income summary for how much? Here, it is same 19,000.
19,000 is debit, Doctor. Yes.
Yes. And first one, owner's capital, 17,700.
Credit. Yes.
Second one should be 900. Third one is
400.
400. Is it correct now?
Yes, Doctor, it's correct.
You can make a jadwal, right? A schedule of it, just like this one. How much they receive, how much was left over to each partner. Clear?
Doctor, in midterm, give us the schedule or T account, or we will we have to write the T account and schedule.
You have to prepare a schedule, like for example this one. Let's say for this question, this is, for example, this is what we have. Same thing, as you can see here, net income, like this one. Interest was for each one 19 minus these number, balance will become 8,700, right? 19 minus, same calculation. Salary allowance is this one, okay, for each one. Then remainder is 6,300, which is loss, and to each partner it will 2,100. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, clear.
Just explain, just trying to show you. Anyhow, the solution I will upload. This is the schedule, for example, like this one. Same thing, just as a calculation. Okay, it's clear now. Now
It's
look
clear,
at
Doctor.
part number 3 is done. So part B says prepare a schedule. Okay, showing the division of net income under these assumptions. So this is what we have done now. Okay, this was basically a schedule, part B. Next one is division of income. How much they will each get, right? Is putting the same thing again. Sorry, is in the form of schedule. This is what we call it, a division of net income schedule. Just look at like this one. So you have to prepare a schedule. In the slides it's also given, but you should know how to prepare this schedule. What about the assignment on 18th of October? You need to complete. Yes, what do you want? There is an assignment which you have to complete. Yes. Do you have? Yes, Muhammad. Okay. Is it clear? So take a break now, and then at 3 o'clock we'll continue. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Welcome. Welcome.